Hello friends, welcome to Sridhar Dayal Law Firm's Hyderabad office. This is located at Masab Tank, road number 1 near to Banjara Hills. In Delhi, we are located at Karol Bagh as well as South Extension Part 1.
ना पैसे पैसे मेरे पीछे कैसे पड़ गए पूरा सुनो मेरे को बोले तो यही है वही बोला पूरी डिजाइन बताए बता के बोले पहले आप बोलिए भाई आप
Hello friends. So welcome to Sridhar Dayal Law Firms. We are located at Hyderabad in Masab Tank, that is near to road number 1 Banjara Hills. In addition, we are also located in New Delhi, that is in Karol Bagh as well as in South Extension Part 1. Now my dear friends, like we are advocates for the Honorable Supreme Court of India and as well as the constitutional courts, they are high courts. Like we deal with the Madras High Court, Mumbai High Court, that is Bombay High Court, as well as Karnataka High Court, Telangana High Court, and Andhra Pradesh High Court at Amravati, and sometimes Kerala High Court as well. So upon demand, any other high courts if the matters are of grave and serious nature, and we also deal in Allahabad High Court also. We have juniors across the country and various partners and senior advocates are associated with us across the country in all the courts. Like we have battery of lawyers. We specialize in civil and criminal litigation. Along with that, we also deal with the company litigation as well. So, my dear friends, like I'm glad to inform you that we specialize in the contempt jurisdiction of the constitutional courts. Contempt of courts petitions are a forte for us. Apart from that, we deal with the writ jurisdictions as well, writ appeals, and also all types of writs, that is like writ of mandamus, habeas corpus, as well as prohibition and quo warranto, as well as certiorari. These are all the 5 writs that we specialize in various courts. Like very few writs are being filed, but we deal with all types of writs in all the constitutional courts. And when coming to the Honorable Supreme Court of India, that is the appellate jurisdiction is our favorite, dealing with the special leave petitions in civil and criminal, as well as the civil and criminal appeals, as well as the contempt petitions, as well as the writ petitions under Article 32. So, my dear friends, any criminal defense or criminal prosecution, if you want to prosecute somebody for any grave offenses, then also we are open to that. We also specialize in criminal defense. We particularly practice in the constitutional courts, but upon demand we also go to the trial courts and the district courts as well. So we also deal with a specialized and intellectual and intelligent cross examination that is very important to elicit the truth. So what we specialize in question of law. We strongly believe that fighting on question of law is most important. Most of the people, like they depend on lot of laws and statutes and various books and all, various sections and all, but they only have definitions but and the procedures. But when it comes to the interpretation flows from the orders and the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court of India as well as the Honorable High Courts. These are constitutional courts. They are the law creators. Whatever the judge write itself will become law and it will become a binding precedent. So if you must be knowing whatever the orders and judgments passed with the Honorable Supreme Court under Article 141, 142 and 144 are binding in the entire country on civil and judicial authorities and each and every person. So in the same way, the orders and judgments of the constitutional high courts also binding in that particular state. So if it's a division bench judgment, it is borrowed and it is being respected by other courts as well. So if you have any issues in the trial court also, then you can bank upon the citations of the constitutional courts, that is high courts as well as the Honorable Supreme Court. And now friends, like as I told you, we specialize in litigation in all types of criminal and civil as well as the writ remedies. So we also help you with the public notices or legal notices. If somebody is troubling you, you are under imminent threat of arrest, or you've been unnecessarily victimized by a government agency or some kind of prosecuting agency, then also we'll try to help you. Any taxation matters are also welcome with us. So friends, like we are at Sridhar Dayal Law Firms, always available. We are 24/7 lawyers. We are always open for anybody, for any kind of issues. If you want, you can always trust us and bank on us. And if there is any gross miscarriage of justice, definitely we will like to take up, and also we deal with pro bono litigation. If somebody is a downtrodden person, and poor people also will be entertained if there is gross miscarriage of justice. If there are any heinous crimes committed against you, then we'll be definitely interested and we'll try to help you out with that as well. So thank you, my dear friends. Thank you for your time. Good day.